Fifth English Sentence Race, page number 10. Dear student, today we are going to practice sentence race. Here, 3 sets are given. Look at this. 3 race tracks are given below. Try to complete each set of sentences. In each track, within 1 minute, we have to use a new words in each sentence. We have to complete first set. Let's start.
Can I complete this set?
Yes, start.
Okay, thank you. First sentence. I am a boy. You are a girl. We are children. He is happy. She is a teacher. It is a lamp. They are playing.
Very good, excellent job. Can I complete second set? Yes, of course. Thanks. Let's start. I like flowers. You like tea. We like games. He likes sweets. She likes dancing. It likes milk. They like movies. Very good, dear. Next one. Yes, please start.
Okay, thanks. First one. I have a cycle. You have good parents. We have marbles. He has blue eyes. She has a puppy. It has a tail. They have a bungalow. Thank you very much.
Very good, children. Now you have to read this sentence and practice again and again and write down 2 to 3 times in your notebook. Okay, bye.